concentration ka wasyakay ha. Playing to the athlete players. Yeah. Oh, that was a nice shot. Zidane. Style jong Zidane dia. Oh, Lawsiej. So we pot player jaga Sawlad. Lamudur lepas ke taktik ke mana? Okay. Nice shot. Concentration ke wasir kai ha. Let us see. Oh, goalkeeper ubah back ke position. Lait betul. Ibat ka Sawlad kalau ikan Jingïakhun ni dapat segera gawai. Ni dah ke pakro ia Lawsiej nilai goalkeeper ka Lawsiej concentrate ha. Goal, that is another beautiful shot. Nagalang jong ka Sawlad. Christian jong ka Lawsiej ki ang barailat pagkali kita ke last chance. Great concentration of Juki. Sawlad keluar yang ini kecilkan playing zone kini ke arah pergi team limba kata ke penalty shootout agak Lawsiej. Congratulations.